yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad.
Hello, my name is Jamal Goddard. I am from Cyber Ops Source. If you are currently collecting data from people using a static-based PDF or a paper-based form, we're reaching out to you. So if you're taking a static-based PDF, paper-based form, and you're retyping the data, you're wasting time, you're risking errors, and you're losing money, right? Because it's an inefficient process. No judgment, but I have a program for you here at Cyber Ops Source. It's called the Form Flip It service. So what is the Form Flip It service? The Form Flip It service is when we take your worst static-based form. We take it, we convert your paper-based form into a mobile-friendly form within a 10-day period. No need to change anything in your environment. We use your existing tools, and we just improve your workflow. We have a beta program going on right now. We're looking for 5 businesses, 5 spots open this month. Who's a beta tester gets 1 form flip within 10 days, like I said. You get the form validation, right? You get secure notification, which means protected data. So we protect your data, and you get a performance boost. So you save hours and you reduce the same errors we were talking about before by copying and pasting. You eliminate the errors. Who is this ideal for? This is ideal for any clinics, any professional offices, or any team currently struggling with static-based forms. So, if you join the program, what's required of you? I know that's what you're going to ask yourself, right? So they're asking us, they're doing this for us. What do they get out of it? We get 2 check-ins, obviously, right? Because we need simple feedback. That's what we need. And then we get 1 before and after metric to see how the service is working for you. That's it. Of course, you're helping us. Overall, you're helping us improve the program. And that is a huge, tremendous help to us. So how do you become part of the program? You tap the link below and apply for the Form Flip It service. We only have 5 spots. I want you to be the next one to fill a spot. Once you're approved, that's it. 10 days, we take your form, we flip it for you. You have a nice mobile-friendly form, and then we're on our way. Okay? Form Flip It service. Thank you. Have a good one. Peace out.